Swear to frickin' God, my town has. So I just fell in a pitfall. There are like these little cracks in the ground, and sometimes there can be fossils in them. Like you're supposed to dig them up, and sometimes there are these stupid little seeds. And when you step on the crack, you fall in the ground. It's really bloody annoying. And yeah, they just got me. My town has way too many weeds. A random, like, there's just a boot, like, someone's left a boot, like, in the middle of the grass. I know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to pick it up, and you're supposed to find the owner of it, but I ain't got time for that. Let's be real. Let's be honest. I ain't got time for that. I'm a freaking way, you stupid duck. Check the shops. Shut up, go away, go away. They never have anything good in here. Like, who wants freaking bamboo flooring? Nobody wants that. I'm sorry, you give me a choice between carpet or bamboo flooring. I think I'm gonna pick the carpet. No one wants bamboo flooring. This, oh my god. What is that? Go away, stop following me, stupid raccoon. Leave me alone. Get that out of my face. So, right, you're right. You're able to expand your house in Animal Crossing. You're able to like upgrade it, get a new roof for it, get fences, yada yada yada. And there's like this stupid otter who is like supposed to like rate your house on its style, and then he gives you prizes and stuff. And he's given me a golden roof, but I don't know where to go from there. Like, there's no other options. And this raccoon is I swear to God, the little raccoon is following me about in the other shop. And leave me alone. God. No wonder I'm like your only customer. Help me, Mr. Otter. What can I do with my house? I want my results. I already got my results. Come on, hurry up. So basically he just said, everything's fine, and he just gave me a bunch of pointers that I already knew. Basically, I think maybe I have to start working on the interior of my house, but I want to expand the exterior, not the interior. Like, I want stuff for my outside, not my inside. Leave me alone! God, stupid raccoon! I get way too emotionally invested in these games. I'm away, birds. See what's in the shoe shop. Ah. Good. Oh, no. No, please don't. No. Oh god, it's hideous. No. Don't like it. Go away. They have a balaclava in the clothes store. Are they like promoting robbery? Are they like promoting robbery to children? This game is for 3-year-olds. Like 3+. Even though a 3-year-old would not physically be like possibly be able to even play this game, it's not possible for a 3-year-old to know what to do with DS. But even so, it's for little children. And you know, there's balaclavas in here. Is that like promoting robbery, hiding your identity to get away with the crime, giving kids some tips, eh? Start that crime early. Why would I buy a freaking... What is that? A freaking... One of those aeroplane hats with the goggles. You can't even ride an aeroplane in Animal Crossing. Why would I want to even... You look like a hoe. This hedgehog looks like a hoe.